Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks unpackaging and review of the SDTEK case for the Nokia 5.4, which I purchased on Amazon UK. The case itself comes bundled with a glass screen protector. I'm not going to be applying that today because my Nokia 5.4 came with a screen protector, plastic film screen protector already installed, and I'll carry on using that until it gets scratched up before I install the glass screen protector. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. What I'm going to do is just take the case out of the packaging it came in from Amazon. This isn't a prime delivery item. It was free delivery. It took about 4 or 5 days to be actually delivered. But I think that for the price of $5.99, and considering how new the Nokia 5.4 is, that's actually pretty decent. There aren't many cases out there at the moment for the Nokia 5.4. Okay then, so I have just slipped the case onto the Nokia 5.4. And first impressions is that it is very soft. There is what feels like a bit of give in the case, and there are button inserts which allow you to tactfully tell where the buttons are and be able to use them. So let's check that they actually work. So here we have on off, that worked. Now I'm going to unlock and put the volume up, volume down. There seems to be no stickiness there, which is a good sign. What I will say is that using the fingerprint reader on the back of the Nokia 5.4, it feels fine. I can unlock the phone really quickly by placing my finger in the fingerprint scanner, but it is slightly off center, as in it's slightly off to the bottom. It's not perfectly centered around the fingerprint scanner itself. But apart from that, all the cutouts seem to be where they are. As you can see, as well as the fingerprint scanner, we have the camera module, the flash module, and at the top here, we have the courage port or 3.5mm audio jack and the microphone hole, both accessible from there. And at the bottom, the usual cutouts you'd expect for microphone, USB Type-C, and speaker. On the left-hand side, there is a dedicated button for the Google Assistant, which is good to see, and it works. Just tap it, and Google Assistant comes up. So buttons all work. What I would say, it doesn't have a lanyard loop holder on either side of the case. That's the only thing I see that's sort of missing from it. But apart from that, it seems to do a good job. There's a decent amount of clearance for the camera module, if you can see there. It's about 1 millimeter between the edge of the case and that, so that gives it a little bit of protection when placed face down, and around about the same amount of clearance on the screen, and that's with a screen protector already installed. So overall, I would say for £5.99, SDTEK offer a decent offering with this case, but it is a little bit soft, and in the terms of some of the cutouts, they're just a little bit off-center. The case is well placed, it doesn't cover the screen, so I think I can recommend this as a buy from Tech Travel Geeks. And it should keep your Nokia 5.4 nice and safe whilst you use it. We are now working on the long-term review of this smartphone, so please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks to be notified when we publish extra content about the Nokia 5.4 and other smartphones that we're reviewing and that we believe will make the travel experience better when it is safe to do so. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from us.